Forming the Pharmacy Quality Alliance was a very important priority for CMS in 2006. We were launching a prescription drug benefit. This was our big chance to bring Medicare's benefits up to date, and we wanted to do it as effectively as possible in terms of using pharmacy services effectively.
Dr. Mark McClellan, former CMS administrator, established the Pharmacy Quality Alliance, or PQA.
He declared that there should be a Pharmacy Quality Alliance, similar to the ambulatory and the hospital alliances, and that it should become laser-focused on identifying and testing and validating meaningful measures of quality that were applicable to the Medicare Part D program.
PQA has over 50 member organizations and 250 representatives on workgroups and committees. PQA's agenda is accomplished through collaboration among its stakeholders, including pharmacy providers, health plans, employers, pharmacy benefits managers, researchers, advocacy groups, health IT vendors, state and national healthcare associations, and members of the pharmaceutical industry.
The ability of these volunteers to actually drive the mission and vision of PQA through these multiple series of phone calls within these work groups and then come together with a completed end product, a measure concept for PQA to take forward and to test and to validate. It's just been amazing to me.
The first round of measure development testing in 2007 and 2008 was a joint effort of PQA and NCQA, and in 2009, 14 of the PQA-NCQA developed measures were submitted to the National Quality Forum for review and consideration for endorsement.
The value of the measures is something that we're in the process of testing right now. The ultimate value of the measure is that it improves the health outcome of a patient.
In 2008 and 2009, PQA supported 5 demonstration projects to develop pharmacy performance reports based on PQA measures that will allow individual pharmacies to compare their performance relative to a peer group of pharmacies.
The next step for PQA is to get broad adoption of the measures. Once that next hurdle is achieved, we'll be able to get aggregate data and to compare it so that we can tell both physicians and patients and health plans and pharmacy benefit management companies which of the pharmacies are doing the best job.
This year, PQA is launching the second phase of projects designed to assess the potential value of pharmacy interventions on patients' adherence to chronic medications, overall patient utilization of healthcare services, and to build a model for pharmacy pay-for performance.
The work of PQA will continue as with the passage of the healthcare reform legislation, the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, there is a tremendous emphasis on quality and value. There are many demonstration projects called forth in that legislation, and PQA will have the opportunity to play a significant role in encouraging the uptake of these medication use measures as healthcare reform gets implemented.
I've been very impressed with what PQA has accomplished to date. This was a new organization. It had no independent funding to begin with. It really was a start from scratch effort coming at a time when pharmacists and pharmacy leadership were very busy with some unprecedented challenges in implementing the Medicare prescription drug benefit. Instead of saying, well, we've got to worry about getting the benefit in place and making sure that the information flows are up to date and the billing is working properly, which all were things that had to be done, the leadership of the pharmacy community, all of the stakeholders who engaged in the PQA took the further step of looking forward to envisioning a better future for pharmacy services and a better future for our healthcare system, one about quality, one about efficiency, one about value in delivering services overall. And the PQA has taken some very important steps to help us get there through developing and implementing standard performance measures, through supporting quality improvement efforts, through identifying reforms that can help promote these kinds of improvements in our healthcare system. All of those reflect fulfillment of the PQA's mission, and I think are the reason why it's receiving the Pinnacle recognition.